Hi guys, hope you're doing well. This is your boy Mani Khan and I'm back with yet another video. Now in this video I'm going to talk about 5 websites that you can use to create AI videos. Now in these websites you can just put some random text from the web and still create a beautiful video. You don't have to do anything. All things will be automated, and these are the 5 websites that you can use for it. You can also add your own photos and videos in between if you like to. You can also change the scenes, and you can do many things with these 5 websites. So I'm going to be honest with you, I only used one of these websites, and I'm going to show you how it really works. This is the one I use. It's nvidia.io, and I'm going to show you how it really works, and then I'm going to tell you the other four's names right after that. So this you can use template, you can stock media editor. I'm going to click on text to video right here. Okay, so these are the templates for text to video right here, as you can see. So I can choose any of these templates and put my text in this, and it will you can choose this one. You can choose the AI one and the dramatic one, or whichever you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one, because I'm just doing it for. You can do it in square, you can do it in portrait for your TikTok, for your Instagram reels, whatever you like. You can do it for YouTube in 9.16. I'm going to go ahead and use template. Click on use template right here, and I do have this open up right here for 2022 World Cup, and do it performing from the BDS. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one right here in the headline, and then I'm going to put the some of this just to make it quick, because if it's long, it's going to take some time to for the software work it out. I'm going to click on next. You can add URL in your videos. You can do many things. It's actually okay. So it's going to work it out for you. It's going to take some time. It's going to work everything out. And with this, you can just, take anything from the internet and turn it into a video. Any post you see, just click on it, put it right here. It will create a video for you. You can download it and put it to Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, everywhere. And you don't have to worry about creating content anymore. You can just you can take any of the, what do you say, the articles, and just make a video out of it. So here it is. Like, as you can see, I'm going to play it out for you. Just so, as you can see, it's sort use text to speech if you want to, uh, and like this. And this is the third scene. FIFA ground. And this is bigger music, bigger entertainment, right? Yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty accurate, that you can use to create AI videos. You don't have to work any hard on that. So this is the first one, in video.aio. You can use it to create this kind of video. The second one is lumen5.com. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I only used nvidia.aio. I don't know anything about all the 4 websites, but I think they're pretty similar, and they're very much like. So, and I heard these are the 5 are the best. And the third one we got is synthesia.ai and .io, and wave.video. I think this is one of the best ones out there. I heard a lot about it, so hopefully I will try it out as well. And last one we got is design.ai. So yeah, you can create video, use social media posts. You can do voiceovers if you want to. You can do logos. Everything is available right here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys get any kind of info or anything from this video, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.